Yeah. Oh, more? Okay. Alright, let me fill it up. Again? Okay.
Is this a people training area?
Yes.
So far you're doing good. You pick
Am I passing?
You pick up quickly.
Am I passing the test? You're very handsome. Very handsome. I might use up all my food on you. It's good? You're not going to be happy till you get all of it? Huh? Alright, I'm going to have to give it to you and then walk away. Okay. Oh, whoops, went too far. Alright, no, I don't have any more. No more. No more. No more. I'm sorry. You are very handsome, though. You're very handsome, you know. I know. I know. I'd have to give you all my food then. Yeah. You want more, huh? Frustrated? Alright, one more time. One more time. It's leaving me very little food for anybody else, you know. Okay. That's it. I gotta go. I gotta go.
All right, sorry, buddy. Bye.